hope you all are doing great in your life. So today I'm going to be showing you my 1 BHK apartment, and this apartment is fully furnished, and I have recently shifted to it like 6 days back. I shifted to this apartment. This is in Whitefield, Bengaluru, and this costed me 27,000 per month. So water is not included and electricity is not included into that. And I want to show you like it coming from North India. It feels bit expensive. Bit nahi, actually very expensive for me, because I used to have a 3 BHK apartment in 22,000 something, but it was not furnished. And right now this apartment is fully furnished. And yeah, this is a standalone building. This is again not in a gated society, but they have certain security, so no one else would come into this house. Yeah, and in the last time I'm also going to be showing you the best part about this apartment. So this is the entrance of my home, and it's on the 6th floor, so you can see 602. And yeah, I'm inside my house. Here I also have a shoe rack, and here TV cabinet, and this is the fridge, and this is the weighing scale that I bought, and everything looks so decent over here in the living room. Just look at here. And yeah, this is the study table that they have provided. It also has this light, so which looks quite cool. And yeah, here the meter and everything, the gate also. And it's a small, like when I'm not feeling good lighting, when I don't want good lighting, I can use this one. So it's also nice thing. It is a small sofa that they gave, and I'm kind of bit messy right now, but yeah, TV remotes, I'm gonna keep it on the study table. So yeah, this is the living room from here, and this is my office bag, and this is the balcony. Okay, don't judge me for the balcony. This is Bengaluru again, and this is the Whitefield area, which is a bit expensive, but this is good. And you know, Bangalore weather is so good that it like makes you happy even though you're not happy about the other things. So yeah, this is all, and this is my kitchen. And yeah, again I'm little bit messy, but this is the kitchen area, and they have given me microwave as well as this induction cookware, and also chimney. Good for me for now. Now go to my bedroom. This is the bedroom. So I have this small dressing table and huge cabinet to keep my stuff, and this bed, and under this bed I have a lot of storage space also. And this is the washroom and the other bathroom as well. And this is again the buildings outside that are getting constructed. So this is the another ventilation area, and yeah, they have lights and all of that. And this curtain that I purchased because it's a block out curtain, and in the daytime it used to get very like bright, so for that I needed a block out curtain. So they have provided me curtains, but that is not a good one, like that does not blocks the light. So yeah, this is my whole entire house. And yeah, I already told you the rent for this is 27k, which is pretty decent, because I've looked in the properties that were 40k also. And the best part of this house that I'm gonna be showing you right now is this, and this was the selling point for me. So this is the selling point of this house, and again I can go here as well because both the buildings are by same owner. So yeah, the other ones is this, and I also have laundry options. I'll show you from here. And one more time I'm gonna say that the Bangalore weather is so good that everything else that is wrong will make up for it. But do not think that you'll get a, like this is the laundry option. I'm not gonna go over here, someone is already there. Yeah, So yeah, Bangalore weather makes up for it, but do not think that Silicon Valley is something like New York or Sydney. It won't give you that image, because most of the people, what do they do is they have that image of Silicon Valley, but then they see the roads and the traffic condition that is worse in Bengaluru. They immediately regret their decision. So if you're choosing your career and career growth, you can come to Bengaluru, but do not think that it will be as developed as Noida or Hyderabad. This is all my experience right now, and this is my house. I hope you guys liked it, because I really liked it, and I've not found any house like that in the Whitefield area. And even though my office is around 8 to 9 kilometers, still finding it really peaceful in all the chaos of Bengaluru. So yeah, bye bye for now until we meet next time.